In this presentation, we will try to understand what is composition of relation with itself. So let's get started. Here we will understand the composition of relation with itself with the help of a problem. Let R be the relation of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a set which consists of these elements containing the ordered pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, 1, 5, 2 and 5, 4. These are all the ordered pairs inside relation R. We have to find R square, R cube and R to the power 4, right? We know that we have a relation which consists of these ordered pairs. Our task is to find R square, R cube and R to the power 4. We must understand what is the meaning of R square, R cube and R to the power 4, right? Here you can see I have mentioned relation R which consists of these ordered pairs, and I am mentioning this relation once again, right? Because I want to find R square, and let me tell you, R square is nothing but composition of relation R with itself. Okay, that is why I am mentioning R twice, right? R square is the composite of R with itself, and it consists of ordered pairs A, C such that AB belong to R and BC belong to R. As simple as that. So what is R square? R square is nothing but composition of R with itself. Okay, let's find out what is R square. For this, you must have to include A, C, the ordered pairs of the form A, C, where A, B belong to R and B, C belong to R. You can see that we have this first ordered pair, that is 1, 1. And here also we have 1, 1, right? You can see that this ordered pair is of the form A, B, right? And here we have B, C. And here you can see that second element is matching with the first element. Therefore, 1, 1, that is AC, must be included in ROR. Now you can compare this first ordered pair with this second ordered pair in this relation. Okay, treat this relation as a separate relation, some other relation. Okay, here we have 1, 1, here we have 1, 2. As you can see that second element of this ordered pair is matching with the first element of this ordered pair. Therefore, we can include 1 and 2 in relation ROR. Okay. Similarly, we can compare 1, 1, 1, 3, and here you can see that second element is matching with the first element. Therefore, we must include 1, 3 in relation ROR. And if we compare first ordered pair with the fourth ordered pair, then you can see that this element, second element of this ordered pair, is not matching with the first element of this ordered pair. Therefore, we cannot include the first element of this ordered pair and second element of this ordered pair in relation ROR, right? Now we can compare the second ordered pair with this ordered pair. You can see that this second element is matching with the first element. Therefore, we can include 1 and 3 inside relation ROR. And the ordered pair 1, 3 is already included in ROR. Therefore, there is no need to include this particular ordered pair. But we can include 1, 4, right? Because here we have 1, 2 and here we have 2, 4. The 1, 4 can be included. So in ROR, we have these ordered pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, right? Similarly, we can compare 1, 3 with 3, 1. Obviously, second element must match with the first element. Here it is matching. 1, 1 can be included. It is already included. Then we can compare 1, 3 with 3, 4. 1, 4 is already included. Then we can compare 1, 3 with 3, 5. As you can see that 1, 5 is not included in ROR. So it must be included now, right? So 1, 5 is now part of ROR, right? Similarly, we can compare this ordered pair with this ordered pair, right? You can see that second element is 3. So we must compare it with the first element and it must be 3. Here you can see that in this ordered pair we have this first element 3. So 2, 1 can be included. Then we can include 2, 4. Then we can also include 2, 5, right? And in this way we can include all the elements inside ROR, right? In this way we can proceed, and you can see these are the ordered pairs so formed. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5. These are all the ordered pairs of ROR. Okay. Now we can easily find R cube. R cube is nothing but composition of R with R square, right? Now this is also simple. Here instead of finding composition of R with itself, we will find composition of R with R square. Here you can see we have R square, right? And here we have relation R. We will find the composition of these two relations. And here you can see this is the composition of these two relations. These are all the ordered pairs included in R cube. And you can verify this on your own, right? 1 1 must be included, 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5, 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5, 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5. These ordered pairs must be included in R cube, right? For this you have to find the composition of R square with R, okay? And here you can see that this is composition of R square with R, that is R cube. Now I think it is easier for you to find R to the power 4 as well. And let me tell you that R cube already contains all possible ordered pairs in A cross A. Isn't that so? R to the power 4 will also contain all possible ordered pairs. Isn't that correct? R cube is already holding all the ordered pairs in A cross A. R to the power 4 will also contain all possible ordered pairs. This is important for us to note. Therefore, R to the power 4 is equal to R cube. If we want to find R to the power 5, then that will also be equal to R to the power 3, right? R to the power 3 is already holding all the ordered pairs in A cross A, right? This is the maximum possible. Therefore, nothing extra can be added in R to the power 4. So it is clear that R to the power 4 is equal to R to the power 3. Similarly, R to the power 5 is also equal to R to the power 3, and so on, right? So this is how we can find the composite of relation with itself. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.